whole front end and that hole right there, whole front end of the truck just spit. Just started spitting and sputtering, no power. The tires are going like this, barely pulling itself out of that hole.